Congratulations! I need a new dog. And print. Let's go get a new pup. Help wanted. Hello. What's that? Charlie, you'll be great. Is this gonna be my new police dog? Yes, she is great. Let me look here. Fluffy, good. She's got the job. Charlie, sit. Good girl, you can have a treat. Now I have to hide. Charlie, come here. Charlie, come back to me. Good girl. Now it's time for patrol. Okay, Charlie, time for a stakeout. Wait, you see something, girl? Let me look. You're right, there is a bad guy. Let's get him, Charlie. You know how to turn on the siren. Stop right there. What? Uh-oh, we're in big trouble now. Get him, Charlie. Now you're going to jail.
That's just a puppy!
I'm looking for something to play with. Ryder, watch me. Yeah. I want this. Let's play with it! Ryder, I have a better idea. Let's play the arcade! Yeah, let's go! I got to play
Boys! What? Oh my gosh, look at this mess! Boys, you need to clean your own mess. Kids need to have manners. You have to clean your own mess.
Okay, Daddy, we'll clean it up. Hey, we're all done!
I'm gonna make the boys a snack. those hands. Guys, Ryder and Braxton, you did not wash your hands. Sawyer did. I'll be right back. Braxton and Ryder, I saw germs on your hands. Go wash your hands before snack.
Okay.
Ryder, wash your hands. Here, y'all go in there.
Wash my hands. Wash my hands. Oh, wow.
Good. Thank you for washing your hands. Now let me check. Nice. Good job, baby. Okay, have your snack. Boys, what's all that noise? Did you guys finish all of your chores?
Yes!
Okay, I'm gonna come in there and check.
We're in big trouble! Ryder, we need to do our chores. She's going to check. That's not time. She's already coming. I have a good idea. How about we put a check mark by him? Charlie, check. Brush Charlie, check. Play Charlie, check. She'll never know. Charlie can't talk.
That's weird. Why is Charlie crying if the boys did their chores? I need to go check. What's wrong? What's wrong? You look so sad. Did the boys not feed you? Let's go check their chore chart. Boys, okay, it says feed Charlie, check, brush Charlie, check, play with Charlie, check. So why is Charlie crying to me? She never cries. Why is Charlie crying? She looks hungry. She's trying to eat my neck. I don't think you guys... And she's really dirty. You guys didn't brush her, did you?
Forgot to do our chores because we were playing and we had to check them off.
Okay, Braxton, I'm glad you and Ryder decided to tell the truth, but you always have to do what's right. Next time, I want you to make sure that you make time to do your chores before playing. Now, I want you to go feed Charlie, brush her, and go play with her, okay?
Okay. She likes to be hand-fed. Good girl for eating. Let's time the queen up to smell nice. Look at her. I put your kayak to put on a helmet for safety and shoes. That's awesome, baby. I'm the leader.
Boys, let's don't fight about who's gonna be the leader. Let's take turns and let Sawyer be the leader because he's the baby.
Okay, Sawyer, you can be the leader. Let's go! Sawyer's leader, Sawyer's leader.
Okay, guys, you ready? We gotta go to the store. Let's go.
Hurry, 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 hurry. Get it, get it.
Can you guys put on your own seatbelts today?
Sure.
Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot my purse. Buckle up and I'll be right back.
Hey, Ryder, instead of sitting in your seat waiting for Mommy, you want to go up there and drive? Drive me to Disneyland. Let's go to Disneyland. Slow down, you're going too fast. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, this is awesome, dude.
Ryder, stop! What are you doing?
I'm driving the car.
Kids can't drive the car, Ryder. We can't do that, okay? Now get in the back and let's go to the playground.